Hi, I'm Phil from Woodsmith, and one of the most important parts of woodworking is having a work surface that will hold your workpieces securely, and there are many ways that you can do that. One really handy way that we found here is to have some kind of a surface that has T-track embedded in it. Now, these are long lengths of aluminum that allow you to fit all kinds of accessories and stops in them. And that's really the key, are the accessories, in order to put the T-track to good use. Milescraft offers a wide range of accessories that I want to talk about today. The first of those are probably the most common, and that's these hold downs like you see here. They have soft rubber feet on them that will securely grip not only the work surface on the back side, but your work piece on the front side. Now it's not going to slide around. Large knobs give you a lot of leverage to lock the piece in place. The hold downs come in two different sizes, and key to all of this are the T-slot bolts that come with all of these accessories. They're designed to fit in a wide range of pretty much every T-track that's available out there. It's a 1/4-20 thread, so again, a pretty common size for finding extra hardware that you want to put with it. These are great for even working at something like your drill press, where you can hold a workpiece down to keep it from shifting while you're drilling holes, especially those small pieces. Hold downs like this also come in handy for shop-made jigs, like a router mortising jig, where you can securely hold your workpiece to the fence of the jig, knowing that it's not going to move around. Now, hold downs work great if you want to pin something to the top, but if you want to have a little bit more of a lower clearance option, what we have here are the cam stops. Now, these are an angled assembly that are perfect for just butting a workpiece against it, whether you're sanding or doing some planing or using a biscuit joiner even. The advantage here is that the stops are locked in place with a cam lever. So once you have it located wherever you want, just press down on the cam and it fixes it in place. These can also be positioned in any orientation. So you want it square to the T-track or in line with it or at an angle. It's all really easy to do. You can buy those in packs of 4 to really set up a nice solid reference surface. Now, if you want something a little bit larger, the Cam Stop XL has a much wider bearing surface. These are great for joinery operations. Like if you're working with a biscuit joiner, you can just butt your workpiece against it, cut your biscuit slots, and not have to worry about the piece sliding around on you. What I like about all of these stops is that they're less than 3/4 of an inch thick, and with the cam levers folded flat, if I'm sanding or using a plane in conjunction with any of these pieces, I know that the tool is not going to contact and damage my stops by an accidental contact. Sometimes you want your workpiece to be locked in place. For those kind of operations, I'd suggest the Inline clamp. These are really cool because they lock in place again in any orientation that you want. Just turn the dial, and then you can adjust the stop on it, throw the lever, and now it's locked in place. So now you can have a workpiece that is pinned exactly where you want it to and is not going to shift in operation. Again, this is less than 3/4 of an inch, so it's not going to interfere with most of your project parts. This set comes with 2 of the inline clamps and 2 of the small cam clamps to give you the most flexibility. Not every piece that we work with as woodworkers has a flat reference edge. Sometimes it's an angled assembly or even a round part. When that's the case, the multi-stop is a good option here. You can see there's 2 rounded lobes here that are your points of contact. So round pieces will still have 2 points of contact, eliminating rotation on there. Again, you just turn the dial, you can slide it anywhere and in any orientation on the track and lock it in place for a fixed point of contact. One great feature of having a cart like this that has T-track in it is its use as an assembly table. So things like frame and panel doors or even boxes. For those, you want to be able to have a nice double reference edge, say a 90-degree corner. The angle stop does just that. You lock it in place and you have those 2 edges there for you to reference your piece on. But as you can see, and by the name angle stop, I can adjust that to a wide variety of angles in 15-degree increments. It's got a toothed edge on there so that when it's all set and locked down, it's not going to shift around while you're working, so that you know that your angles and your assemblies are the angle that you want them to be. Now, all of this might sound great, but you're thinking to yourself, I don't have any T-track in my shop. That's not a problem. Milescraft makes T-track in a variety of lengths. You can get it in 24, 36, and 48-inch lengths to be able to install in the top of a shop cart, or maybe on the side extension of your table saw, or like I said earlier, in shop-made jigs or drill press tables. You can also get intersecting elements so that you can create crisscrossing T-track assemblies on a work surface to be able to mount any of these accessories wherever you need it to suit your projects. With the full range of T-track accessories that are available from Milescraft, as well as the T-track, you know that your woodworking projects are going to turn out the way that you want, and that means you're having more fun in your shop.